Payal. We started in the year of 2015, 4 years back. So we started online sale first. We were very small in online sale. Then धीरे धीरे our store becomes bigger and bigger. Now we have 3 stores in Chennai, 2 in Bangalore, and this is the new flagship store. We are having it in Hyderabad. So we have all the organic products with us, the soapstones, the clay, the iron, the cast iron, copper, brass. We have wooden, coconut shells one. Many things we have that is all handmade, that is all organic. So people like organic product. We don't use anything mineral or anything wrong kind of stuff in it. So yes, so these are all soapstone products that we have over here, like the paniyaram pan, like the cook pots. We have karais also in soapstone. The main attraction is the curd jar that we are having over here. The curd is really too good in it, and you can smell an earthy smell in it, or you can taste it also. For cleaning this, don't use any dishwasher soap. You can use Sabina, or you can use that wood ash for cleaning it, so that would be fine with it. Like organic cleaning would be too good with this organic product. These are soapstone deepam. So the thing is that this won't like soak the oil. ये ऑयल एकदम सोक नहीं करता है, एकदम बहुत अच्छा रहता है दीपम के लिए. लाइक रेगुलर दीपम में ऑयल सोक करता है जो क्ले का दीपम होता है, लेकिन इसमें नहीं करता है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड यू डोंट नीड टू क्लीन इट ऑल्सो, जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ and it's good to go. These are all the clay items that we have. We don't use any color for making clay. These are all clay, pure clay items, and the shine that you can find it in it is the clay coating that we give on it for the proper shine and all. Can you see the difference between the red and the black? So nothing is different. This is double baked, so it is black. So the more you bake the clay, the more it becomes strong. So this is the thing. No color and nothing preservative add on it. These are all the iron vessels that we have, the old one that our grandmas and grandpas use. So you can make varas, any puris, anything deep fried in this. This goes very well and don't burns also. For washing this, you can use any dishwash to wash it. Just apply oil after wiping it off with a clean cloth. After every wash you need to apply oil. So ये बहुत interesting है. Like this is cast iron. So not like normal iron. This is cast iron mixing with sand and silica. So which is much healthier for your health because you are getting extra iron in your body. So the clearing thing is normal like iron you need to do. After wash you need to wipe it with a cloth, make it dry and apply oil. That's it. These are all the kumtis that we have. You need to put coal over here. Just इसको जला दो and the ash will fall down, and you can make the like any tandoori's kind of stuff in it. Like it will taste too good in it. फिर we can cook also in it, like putting coal over here and putting the bartan over here. You can cook on it also. So here is the uttapam pan that we have. Appam we also have. We have skillet with double handle and single handle. We have paniyaram pans with 9 and 8 holes. We have the dosa tawas also of all the sizes and all the inches starting from 8 to 13. We have the cast iron karais also starting from 7 to 12 we have. These are all copper bottles that we have in 2 sizes. We have small and big. We have copper glasses with different models. We have copper kadif pot, a straight one and the round one. These are very interesting one. Like if you can put idly in the gas. If you put idly in the glass, it will melt. So you need to put everything in it and then put it in the gas. That also in low to medium flame. उसके बाद yellow froth आते ही you need to switch the gas off. So these are all the brass items we have. These are all brass pots with different sizes. These are coffee filters. These are brass masala box. These are the Morocco makers, the idiyappam one. These are coffee davra set. These are also idiyappam pressers. We have copper tanks also over here, as we know कि copper कितना अच्छा होता है हम लोग के health के लिए. We have coffee mugs on it. We have brass glasses of different shapes and sizes. These are davra set. We have cutlery set also over here. This is stone amical. Like for grinding masalas or chutneys, you can use this. Wooden spatulas. ये सब coconut spatulas है, frying करंडीज है. These are clay pots, natural way of keeping the water cold. These are also the spoons of spatulas of wood. These are the brass one. These are clay jugs. These are biryani oralies. These are the brass spatulas. These are the wild grass yoga mats one, very good for your health. Like when you do yoga in it, it will make you calm. We have banana bark yoga mats that is very soothing and calming for your health and your body. We have bamboo straws, copper straws and the brushes for it. We have coconut shells, spatulas. A conical paniyaram pan. The new that we arrived is the grill pan in cast iron. Chopping boards of wood. We use every wood that we have is all rosewood.
Subscribe us and press the bell icon for more interesting updates.